Hey everybody, and if we have never met before, I'm English teacher Matthew. Now, with the zero conditional, we usually use present tense and present tense. And we use it when we want to talk about things that are always or generally true, and we use it to talk about scientific facts as well. So, for example, if I'm out of the office, answer the phone. If I'm out of the office, answer the phone. And if animals don't eat enough, they die. If animals don't eat enough, they die. Now, with this conditional, actually, we can exchange the if. We can change the if, and we can put when in its place. So, for example, we can say, when animals don't eat enough, they die. So that's the zero conditional. Pretty simple, right?